Welcome student. I.S. Nagalingam, Assistant Professor, PG and Research Department of Commerce. My topic in this paper of financial management, in specific of capital structure. First of all, financial management is concerned with raising financial resources and their effective utilization towards achieving the organization goals. In simple words, financial management is concerned with the planning, effective use of one important economic resources, namely capital fund. In specific topic is capital structure. Capital structure refer to composition of large term sources of funds such as debentures, long-term debts, preference share capital and ordinary share capital, including reserve and surplus retained or gains. The total capital structure forms total capitals for equity capital and debt capital. One of the equity capital type of four type: equity share, second one capital preference, share one share capital, fourth one retained earnings. The another one debt capital. The five types of debt capital in term loans, debentures, long-term debts, liability others, deferred pay. The features of capital structure. First one, profitability. Capital structure must be in such a way that increase profit of business. Second one, safety and solvency. Capital structure must build recording feature safety and solvency. Excess preference of debt capital make difficult for firm not only pay annual interest but also to redeem its debt on maturity. Third one, flexible. Capital structure must change time to time according to situation in capital market. Fourth one, control. Help the management in retain control over decision making. It suggested debt should prepared over equity whenever additional funds needs. The fifth one, for cost of issues and fluctuated capital structure in such way that in reduce in issue capital, issue cost and floating cost as much as possible. Normal, the cost of debt should lower as compared of cost of equity for in capital structure. Thank you.